I thought that was a gift.
Why the hell would I give you 600
I
bucks?
don't know. You're a cool dude.
Yeah, I'm not that cool. Give me my money.
I don't have that much on me.
All right, well, what you got on you? Sit down.
Okay. Okay.
Where you got your bucks?
Okay. Let me see what I
What you
have.
got on you?
It's in the bedroom.
All right, go and get it. Let's go. How you doing? Oh, no, you dick! Leave me the hell alone, man! Give me my money, and I will! Dude, don't look out! Ah, my shoulder! Ah! Ah! It wasn't my fault, man. I was trying to save him and he owed me money. I should have just...
Just keep still.
Jesus!
Just keep still.
I am!
All right, ready?
You're not doing it right!
I'm doing it the same way I've always done it. How else do you want me to do this? It's either me or the hospital. What do you prefer?
Okay, go. Just do it. Just do it.
Yeah, you're gonna let me do this?
Yes, just do it!
Okay, I'm gonna count to 3. Ready?
Okay, whoa. Okay.
1, 2.
Ah! God! Damn it!
Gotta take you to the hospital. Let's go.
Yeah. We should go to the hospital.
This place pulls in over 100 grand.
How long have we been waiting?
I don't know, an hour?
What the hell's up with you, man?
What?
Well, you're like, chill now. You let me borrow your board. You make fun of me when I ask to borrow money. Where's the lecture?
Do you want a lecture?
No, it's just unusual.
Craig Cody?
Yeah.
Sorry about the wait. We had 3 shootings, a stabbing, 2 overdoses, plus a guy who fell 2 stories off a roof.
The guy that fell from the roof, okay?
Not really.
What do we have here?